Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Toth and today I am going to show you a project with the February Glimmer Hot foil club from Spellbinders. In the February kit you can find these useful sentiment foiling plates with banner dies and of course this amazing gold glimmer foil. Okay, let's see what I have created with this kit. First I made a card base from Neenah Solar White cardstock. Its size is 5.5 by 4.25 inches and as you can see I embellished with colorful die-cut stripes. The next step was stamping and coloring. I used floral stamp sets from the new Just Add the Color collection by Stephanie Lowe. I colored them with my Copic markers, then I fuzzy cut them. When it was done, I started the foiling process and I made a few more sentiments to my stash. I do this often to have sentiments on my hand anytime. Join now the Glimmer Hot Foil membership and save 10% of the purchase of the Glimmer Hot Foil system. You may add the system at the time of subscription. You can find all the links and used supplies in the description box below. And I embellished my card with sequins. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more information and the product list, check the video description. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. For more inspirations, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.